My name's Robert. I'm about to start relining my garden pond. It got a little leak in it and it's been losing water for the last couple of years, so we've decided to reline it. I'm also building a water feature, so I hope you follow me right till the end to see how I get on. Right, just doing an update on the garden. I filmed it back in the spring. As you can see now, it's still a bit of a mess. What we've decided to do, we had a slight leak in our fish pond, so we've decided to reline the fish pond. So as you can see, we bought the new liner, new filter system. There's the old filter. Pulled a lot about here. We got things that we never used. Now got to be disconnected, pull the wires out, and as you can see, we did have a waterfall. Now the waterfall have just been at the part, been renewing the waterfall, renewing the liner, doing a lot. So that's what all the stones are all over the garden for, ready to build it back up. These are most of the stones I've pulled out from here. We got pulled the pump out, we got the pump just running in at the moment, and we've got the temporary fish pond that we're going to put the fish in while we're doing all this work. So as you can see, we've been finding lots of stuff. There's an old pump that was buried in amongst the grass. So I'm going to start filming, putting this back together. But do a quick swing round. All this got to be moved. So we're going to start it today. Oh, there's the gunroller plant that I filmed last year. Bits of stumps I took out. But at the moment, quite a mess. But we'll get stuck into this now. Just doing a little update now on what we done yesterday. As you can see, still a lot of stones in the garden, but we did do quite a bit yesterday. So we moved the pond from there. We now got it set up, ready to put some pond water in there now for the fish to go into. And done a bit of concrete in ready for the waterfall to go in. That's going to be the base. So you can see tools are still out early in the morning, but thing is now is to catch all these fish. But I got to put the main framework up for the waterfall first, and then we'll have a look, see what else we got to do. So just a nice little view of the garden. And you got water bypassing the old waterfall and new filter system which we've been putting in. New pond liner. So today is the build day to get the base of the waterfall ready. And we'll be back down after. Right, this is what we've done so far today. Got some paving slabs. Stones where they was yesterday. More sand, and this is what the build is so far. Knocked the old waterfall down, and I've actually bricked up a new waterfall. I think it's fish catching day today. I've moved the pond, the temporary pond, use the temporary pond for them. They'll only be in it for the day or two. keeping most of the water. You see now, this is what the waterfall looks like at the moment. Just concrete blocks. Do a little catch up. Here we are. We've got the lily out, got him in a tub. Bit of a mess. Fish are all in back in here. Hot day at the moment, so we got them covered up. You can see them. 31 after, 31 fish. And here's the hole. And the liner, part swept out. Just gonna sweep it out a little bit more now. And then put the underlay in. And start laying the pond before we get any rain. Anyway, it's just another update. We put the liner over where the waterfall is going to be. Put the liner in. These are some of the cobbles just holding the liner in place till I actually put the lily back in today, and then cement all around the edge. Put another row of cobbles. I got the cobbles here ready on the mats, and then they'll start putting them round today if the weather don't hold off. Yep, little quick update. Right, this is just a quick catch up. As you can see, garden's still looking a mess. Old liner on the chair, old filter, but the pond is coming along. Still got it, the filter in the temporary position. Put the net on and everything to protect the fish from the herons. But I've started to do the waterfall. So that's as we are so far, doing the second half today. So that's how we are so far. There's a couple of the fish coming out. I managed to put the line edge in around the pond. I've got to be pointed and refilled in. Started to put some new electric sockets up to take up the old Blagden multi-box. Take that from there. That'll be wired up today with a bit of luck. But the next thing is to start getting some of them stones that's by there onto this waterfall, and then get the waterfall flowing through it. Right, just having another look now as far as I've got. Still putting a couple of stones in, as you can see. Side looking from the garden. It's not too bad at the moment. A little bit more work to do behind the pipes. But we got most of the stuff back in. There's an air stone. That's what we've done so far. Let the water flowing down it. I've sunk the filter in. As you can see, still work ongoing. The pipe cable's got to be in. Fish have just been fed. And now we got to put what I don't like is the net, but we got to put that on because of the herons around here. They take the fish terrible. So that's the update for now. We'll show it to you when it's finished and I get all the pipes and the cables cleared in. Here we go. One of the last looks of pool. It's not really finished, but give you some idea of what we've done. The water running full now from the filter. The filter got to be covered over. If I can get a shot. There we are. So it's new liner, new edging, and a complete new waterfall. I'll put a post of what it used to look like, and then show the before and after.